it's Sally, aka Crafting Gal Sal, and I'm here today to show you how to make this really cute little 3" by 3" pocket card. It uses very little paper and it's very simple to make, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you that this pocket card has a front pocket that you can tuck a little card into, and then it has two inside pockets that you can also tuck cute little crafty things in, or gift cards or whatever you want to for your recipient. So this is the little pocket card and it's very simple to make. So what you need is a couple sheets of your background paper, and the main card base is cut 6 inches this direction and 3 inches this direction. This will be the inside pocket, and it's also 6 inches across, but it's only 2 inches deep. And then your little front pocket is 3 inches across by 2 inches deep. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to be folding your main card base in half. You can use a scoreboard or you can just eyeball it. And for today's video, I'm just going to eyeball it. Kind of press down if you want to get a bone folder. Mine is, I don't think it's bone, mine's just plastic. And press that down and it opens just like that. Then you're going to do your interior pocket the same way, only I'm going to be folding it with right sides together. So I'm going to fold this one again in half, make a crease, and this is going to be your interior pocket. You're just going to lay it right there at the base of the card. So now I'm going to be putting glue on, and I'm going to be gluing down the sides, both sides. I'm going to be gluing across the bottom, and then I'm going to put a bead down the center, of course, on the opposite side. So get your glue. I hope mine's going to cooperate. I'm about out of glue in this bottle, so. All right, so you're going to go down the sides with just a thin bead of glue down your sides, down the center, across the bottom. For this paper, it doesn't really matter which direction I put it in. It looks the same no matter what. So if yours has a definite pattern to it, you might want to be a little more careful, but I know mine's going to work no matter how I do it. And then just carefully place it onto your card base inside, and press your sides together, your center, and your base, or the bottom of the card. So that creates the two interior pockets, just like that. Okay, and when you fold it up, it's probably going to end up having a little on the edges that you're going to have to cut off, just like mine did. But I'm going to let that sit for now, just like that. All right. And I'll cut those off in a minute. Here's my front pocket, and I'm just going to be gluing it to the front, down both sides and across the bottom. And again, just a thin bead of glue along those three edges. Okay. And this goes on the front, just like that. And I'm just kind of getting any extra glue off of there with my fingers. And as you can see, I've got some paper showing on the other side, and I'm just going to cut that off with my scissors so that it won't be showing. And then I'm going to go around the whole exterior edge, all the edges, with my Cali Art alcohol marker. So first, I'm going to cut off the little edges that are showing. So today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and as a public school teacher in our state, we have this day off, and children have the day off. So it's very nice to be able to have this time in my craft room and just kind of play all day. So there's that. And now I'm going to take my marker and just go all the way around all of the edges. And like I've said in my other video, it just takes care of any of those raw edges that may not be very perfect, which mine never are, and also kind of gives it a finished, polished look. I think I might have just gotten some ink on the other side of my front, but that's okay too, because I can always cover it up with an embellishment, so I'm not too worried about that. Let's see, there's a little bit right up there, so it's not a big deal. Now on this one, the spine had cracked just as the spine had cracked, so I used my marker on the spine too, and you can see it kind of came through on the other side, and I kind of liked that look, so I'm going to do that again here with this one, and it just kind of covers up the cracked spine, and that ink bleeds through onto the inside. And you might not like that look. I do. I like that. And if you don't like that, you could put washi tape on your spine like I did with the other one. But I kind of like that. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird, but I like that look. Kind of adds to the homemadeness. Is that a word? The homemade appeal, I think, of it. Okay, so there is my little pocket card. I have 3 pockets, a front pocket and 2 inside pockets that I can put tags. Here's some tags that I made for my other one. Just stick little tags in there. This one, I stamped a bunch of stamps from my Mindless Crafting stamp set that I had purchased for my crafty friends. So I stamped a bunch of those images to send away in this in a little pocket card. And I also just made a little gift tag in the front with that same stamped image, but it can go there. And just decorate it however you want. I just did, I like my Just a Note stamp that I use, Happy Mail, made with love on the back of this one. You just decorate it however you want. I try to keep things flat as possible, so that they can fold nicely and mail nicely. But that's up to you. You could put dimensional stickers and things on it if you want to, if you're not going to mail it away, if you're just going to give it by hand. But I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And until the next time, happy crafting!